Hello everyone, we've just completed Moz on Pavé and I thought now's a decent time to take you through my bike setup for the cobbles. So, we'll start with the front wheel. Okay, nice and simple, Hunt Aero 50s with 28s and Cerato tyres, set up tubeless. Front tyre pressure is something, I think around 45. Onto the rear, same wheel and tyre combination, but about 40 psi in the rear wheel. Now for the good stuff. I love these Fast Sport handlebars, so comfortable with the lizard skin thingy bar tape. Handlebars, hoods are tilted in. It is just such a comfortable position to have. Now the even better stuff. I have my 1x drivetrain, 42 front chainring, 10x42 on the rear. It's got me through the mountains, suffering through the mountains last year. It's a brilliant bike for the cobbles. Tyre pressures are about right, might drop them a little bit more, but that's the bike. Sport nutrition, if I can get one out of my pocket. I'm focusing on precision fuel and hydration. Oh, I love it. Brilliant, nice, simple tasting with mix in the UAE bottle and water in the Ineos bottle.